Hello everyone, my name is Michael and today I want to talk to you about the increasingly popular political coins and how they actually work. In this video, I will show how their value dynamics change and why some of them have hidden potential for growth. There are numerous crypto projects that show rapid growth and earning opportunities. These include not only classic cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also various meme coins like Pepe and DOGE. Recently, political events have been so intense that meme coins that related to the US presidential election are rapidly emerging, and they do have some potential. Watch this video till the end. I will share with you my view on this niche and that political coins have occupied it. By the way, what do you like more, political coins or meme coins? Write in the comments. Now let's get started. So political coins refer to various coins that are often associated with well-known politicians. Lately, the whole world has been closely following the presidential race in the USA, and of course, many political figures involved in this process have inspired meme coins related to them and their ideas, which are currently the most popular. Right now, the most hyped political meme coins are those somehow connected to Donald Trump. For example, the coin MAGA Trump is currently the largest project in its field by market capitalization reaching around $250 million in the summer of 2024. There are other coins related to Donald Trump such as Super Trump coin, Baby Trump, Fear Not, Donald Trump, and others. Trump coins in general tend to surpass in market cap the coins dedicated to other political figures. By the way, comment below, would you consider buying Trump-related coins? Let's look at the price dynamics using the most popular coin as an example, MAGA. Of course, it is short for Make America Great Again, and this coin rose in value following the news about Trump. For instance, on the day of the attempted attack on Trump on July 13th, its price reached $10,000, while the day before the incident, the maximum value during trading was 6.9K, resulting in a growth of over 45% from the maximum values. It's also interesting to note that the coin briefly increased the price the day after the debate with Biden, which took place on June 28. On the day of the debate, the most popular coin dedicated to Trump and the most popular coin dedicated to Biden, Joe Biden, both saw a decrease in price. On June 29, the decline continued for Biden, while MAGA briefly saw an increase in value on certain platforms. By the way, regarding Biden, currently the project's market capitalization is less than $10 million, although it was higher before. As mentioned earlier, the token decreased on the day of the debates with Trump, and it also experienced a significant drop on July 21 when Joe Biden withdrew from the elections. Within a day, the price fell from this amount at its peak to a minimum value of this amount, representing a decrease of more than 67%. Of course, there are other tokens dedicated to popular American politicians, for example, tokens related to Kamala Harris, which, by the way, saw an increase in value upon the news around her being the new Democratic Party candidate. The market capitalization of one of the most popular tokens, Harris, Kamala, is less than $4 million, with trading volumes being relatively small. There are both popular and particularly unknown coins dedicated to various politicians. Interestingly, it seems that some projects were literally developed by the same developers, so the creators may not necessarily share specific political beliefs. Instead, they prefer to create a new tool for potential pumping. Before we discuss how their prices are formed, let's focus on the technical analysis of the most popular coin in the segment of the moment, MAGA. Firstly, it's worth noting that MAGA is an extremely volatile token. Its 14-day ATR is 1.3. In other words, the average difference between the daily high and low is 1.3K bucks, which is equivalent to 21%. Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2024 are clearly not so volatile. Moreover, the overall trend is more bearish. The price being below the 50-day moving average indicates a bearish trend. Looking at the chart, the beginning of July was quite successful for MAGA. The coin demonstrated a 153% increase from July 5th to July 13th. However, starting from the 13th, when the attempt at Trump's life was made, the price instantly soared up but then started to decline. Interestingly, the trend intensified after Biden announced his withdrawal from the race. MAGA lost 23%. The current situation with the coin can be described as uncertain. If it managed to stay above $7.97, then we can talk about a potential uptrend. However, if it drops below $5.50, further decline can be expected. So what conclusions can we draw from all this? Firstly, it seems that almost all political coins do not have any intrinsic value outside of the news context related to the person represented by a coin. Therefore, trading them is actually a form of gambling where users essentially bet in advance that the coin will be pumped in the future based on news context. While technical analysis can be applied here, the success of trading will depend on how well you are versed in the political agenda and whether you can predict important events regarding a specific individual, for example, Biden's withdrawal from the presidential race and Harris taking his place, or an attempt on Trump. Hit like if you also suspected that Joe Biden might withdraw and Kamala Harris would take his place as a candidate. Thus, some coins may hold good growth potential, but in order to capitalize on that, one needs to be immersed in the political agenda and predict upcoming events and their outcomes. It's also important to consider the low liquidity in this segment. Projects do not have significant market capitalization, even compared to popular meme coins. This type of trading is suitable for those who do not intend to build an investment portfolio, have a small capital, and want to try making a bet through cryptocurrency and future political events. It also suits those who keep their finger on the pulse and are well-oriented in this field. In other cases, more conservative coins may be considered. So guys, thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and see you next time. Bye!